Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making pizza. Everyone likes pizza, yay! But, so the ingredients are, wait a minute, we're missing some ingredients. Can you find them anywhere? Well, that's because we are making a courgette pizza, which means it's not going to be big nor small, it's going to be mini. Let me show you. Here they are. So the first ingredients, I guess, is a courgette, like this. You chop them up. We got some olives, for your choice, cheese, sauce, tomato sauce, oregano, and sweet corn. You start by laying all your courgettes like this all over your pan. I need to be. I'm gonna make the big ones. Line them perfectly so you can fit as much as, I don't know, as you want. Like this. I want to fit maybe 3 ones. There we go. After you add your sauce and put them all over the courgettes. I don't want to add too much. Just a little bit more. This is a really good healthy snack when you come from school and for your school pack lunch. And it's also really healthy because my little sister loves pizza that she asks for it all the time. So if my mom does this for like lunch or meal, yeah, it would be really healthy and she wouldn't be eating so much bad food. So you could now put all your toppings on. I'm gonna add some cheese. Oh no. Pizza, pizza. I like pizza. Now we are finished putting on the cheese. If you want to add more toppings, you can. I would add my sweet corn. One here, one here. I recommend this pizza if you like pizza and you want to also eat healthier. Yeah, with some courgette. This is very healthy for kids. It's really good and it's going to be really yummy for everyone. So I recommend trying it. If you like the recipe, you should try it and see if it's good for you. I mean, I have one more recipe for you guys of courgette because it's really good and hopefully it'll turn out really yummy. So now you can sprinkle your oregano all over your pizzas. I think I'm putting too much, but put as much as you want. Now we're almost finished. You can add them into the oven, and you will have to wait until they look really nice and they look really colorful. Now we can put them in the oven, and then we can take them out later. Wow, they are back and they smell so good. Now let's try one. I'm gonna pick this one. Be careful because they are really hot. Wow, do you see the inside? I only want a little piece, so then, let me get this one. So nice. So, if you like this recipe, it was really good, so I recommend you should try it. But be careful when you eat it really hot, so you make sure you cool it down. Now we're gonna make muffins, courgette muffins. So let's go. Now we're gonna make a muffin from courgette. So your ingredients are egg, red pepper, sweet corn, cheese, courgette, and flour. So there's also a bit of salt in. So you start by cracking your Eggos and yeah, just crack your eggs. Ah no! Luckily that was it. Okay. Now, why is this so hard? Okay. I took time in that one. Okay, let's go fast because we want to eat these. Now you add your peppers like that. Your sweet corn. Mix really, really well. Make sure you get everything. And this is a healthy muffin. There's no sugar in this one because you can use it in meals. Make sure you get everything. You can add your cheese and mix, and then also you could add your courgette, like now. The main thing in this meal is courgette. Wow, it's really hard to. Oh no, you will get a bit messy. Mix really nice and well, and you can now add your flour like that, and you mix. Be careful not to get flour everywhere. What I've learned from my other cake. This is really healthy. You have lots of healthy ingredients in here. So I also recommend trying this, like the pizza, if you're also wanting to eat healthier. Look at it, it looks so amazing, like cake batter. So if you enjoyed the recipes so far and the pizza, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's go and put it on the pan, the muffin pan. Don't need too much, and you put them in. I'm gonna write this because I'm messy. Now we are finished. Now we can put them in the pan. Wait, pan? I mean oven. Let's go. The muffins are done. They're beautiful and oven. So now we're gonna take one out. I'm gonna take this one out. Right here. Here you go. Look at that, everyone. It looks so delicious. Now, it's so squishy. Look inside. Now I'm gonna take this piece and try it. It's so delicious. It's really good and so delicious. I recommend this recipe. And there we go. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!